guys, Tisa here. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This video is just me showing you all my very small Juvia's Place collection. It's my favorite makeup these days, and that is not because I don't want to try others, you know. It's just that this one is affordable, and y'all, we about saving coins, we about being on a budget, and this one affords me the opportunity to do so, okay? And the good thing about this makeup is it's not only affordable, it's easy to use, and the colors are beautifully pigmented. Anybody who has tried Juvia's Place, I'm sure they can attest to that. So let's get right into it. We'll start with the tiny ones and then we'll move on to the big ones. Y'all, if you like this wig I'm wearing, I reviewed this some months back, so I'll just put the link up above. First, to begin with, I wanted the chocolates. This one I wanted mostly because of the neutral and dark browns. I didn't have anything like that in my collection. This one doesn't disappoint. Matter of fact, I'm wearing some of it. I hope you all didn't hear that. And the video where I was doing this makeup is also linked above. Moving along. This one came out just last year, and it has another, is this one, and a sort of goldy color as well. I don't have that one. I'm not sure if I want it because it wasn't really colors I felt I needed, but knowing me, I might just pick it up anyway. So this is so beautiful. Y'all, look at this purple. I definitely wanted it because of this purple for sure. And y'all might say, you're real crazy, you just buy a whole palette just for one color. But I mean, yeah. This one is a pretty duochrome color. Then glitter. Yeah, you seen that? Seen those reflex? Pretty. Yeah. Do I need to say more? They're just gorgeous. And if I come on here to do makeup, it will be makeup that anybody could do. Once you take your time and you have the right tools, it's simple makeup I'll be doing. I'm not going to do no, I had to be in the mood or it has to be requested. Otherwise, it's just, hey, I could do that. Yes, yes you can. I also wanted these colors from the Fumi Queen palette. Mainly, I use this for my face. I would actually use these as blushes or blush. And I use these two colors as highlights, this and this. And I absolutely love it. I have no regrets buying the Queen palette from Fumi. And this was my most recent, well, one of my most recent buys. And y'all, the love is real. Check this out. This is the Tribe palette. Most makeup aficionados and collectors, especially of Juvia's Place, definitely has this one. This is one of their best palettes. At least I think so. Even by looking and not having all of them, I could tell that this is one of the better ones that they have. Focus, bitch. That's it, bitch. Yes, so this green, this gold, and this orange. You see the satin colors? I think that's what grabs my attention. Now, don't get me wrong, eh? Mattes are also gorgeous and pigmented. So let me just get in there and show you. Of course, for most matte colors, you need a very good base for it to pop. That is how it goes for most brands. Well, yeah, this is the second time I'm doing this video, eh? So how I come out, I'll be posting it. Anyway, this one is the first one I've ever purchased. This and the other one that I'll show you just now. This is the Magic. She's pretty, isn't she? Don't mind it a little dirty. And this is what it looks like. I absolutely loved that it was smaller pans. The big ones, I don't know how to feel the big ones being eyeshadow colors. these two colors, so cool all here. Hey, let me tell you, I love to do makeup and use dark colors in the corner for depth, and you know, it just gives the look a nice finished, polished, I don't know how to put it again. I just need to see dark colors in my palette. I very rarely ever purchase a palette that doesn't have some dark colors in there. But what I like about this color story is the fact that up here is nice warm colors, and down here is some beautiful cool colors. So I like that they included those two color stories. Also some nice mattes along with the satins. So I just found this was like perfection, and I've used every single color in this palette. And the other one I purchased around the same time was this one, the Saharan. I believe this is the Saharan II. Voila. Dirty again. Let me clean it off a little bit. It's a little dirty. It's a perfect mix of satins, right, mattes, and pops of color, which is blue, which is my favorite color. So I was like, nah boy, I had to get this one. And again, I've used all. I actually use these as highlighters mostly for cheeks, and actually use these for blush. These are my blush colors, and of course whenever I want a little pop of color, especially in the inner corners, these are where these two come in. So perfection. Juvia's did it with this one. This one is gorgeous. Again, the Saharan II, another thumbs up in my book. And recently I saw the Nubian II. When I saw this, I was like, yo, gorgeous. This color is my favorite right here. I love it. This one too. You see these two here? Let me show you what this color looks like. You see this lila? Ooh, papa. Cleopatra is the blue. And then there's Ya. Ya is a kind of gold, orange. What is this? It's just a kind of copper. Alright, I had to turn my hand all how. Hold on. See that? Lila. These colors go on like a dream, especially if you have a nice base on your eyes, and a little goes a long way. It's wonderful to work with, and it has some nice transition colors in here too. That's why I like this one. So these up here, nice transition colors. Focus. This green pretty too. It's just nice. It's just nicer. It's so nice. A nice color story here too. And this one is a nice, these two colors nice for the corners if you want a little additional drama to complete your look. Yeah, just tell me if I lie. Alright, and I think I saved the best for last. I love the Wahalas. So I have Wahala 1 and 2. This is 1. Sadly, I lost that color. It was a beautiful shade of pink. I used to use it for transition, but I have others that I could use. So all is not lost, but I mean, oh gosh. And then when I had my long nails, I'd dig into this one. This one is a nice two-tone duochrome. It's supposed to be green, but then it's turned into purple. It's just so pretty. In the camera, you will just probably see the green effect. You mightn't see the other color, but it's beautiful. And it also has some pressed glitter. I don't know how to feel about the pressed glitter. It's a little bit messy. So to apply the glitter, you'll need glitter glue. These three. They're beautiful, but messy as heck. So just make you look at it one more time. Take a look. Look at the gold. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Yes. Check it out. Oh my god. Beautiful. And they really, in my opinion, they took their time when they were placing the colors, right? And in the last video, and I was hoping I would remember to say, if you're buying palettes for the first time, always think about what you could do with one row, either going across or coming down. This is probably not the best example, but let me show you in another one, in an easy one. For instance, this one. Think about one row at a time to create your looks. So don't be intimidated by too much color. Focus on, what can I do with this row on top? What can I do with this row? What can I do with this row? And same going this way as well. It's just a tip. So you don't have to worry about, oh God, there's too much. Oh God, I can't do nothing with all of that. You could, but just focus on just where it's placed. That's why I always say, if it's a nice color story, if it's something I could work with going this way or this way, it's a good buy for me. So this is one of the best examples of that, right? So don't be overwhelmed when you see color. Color is great. Color is life. So anyway, back to Wahala. Ooh, this is the glitter. You don't even have to press too hard. It comes off easily. Pretty. Yes, so pretty. This blue, this matte blue. Oh, child. There's this one up here. Gorgeous. And right next to it is this teal. Jeez, hold on. Let me show you all the teal. Yeah. So there's a teal and there's a... Listen. They take the time with this palette. The only thing I would say that I wish had a little more thought into it would have been this row, because most of these colors are very similar. But then it's okay. You know why it's okay? Because in the first Wahala, it has the gold glitter and this one has the silver. So I'm not mad at that. I'm not sure whenever I'm going to use it, but I'm just happy that it's there. Y'all, did I show you all the Melissa palette? I said I was saving the best for last, but I completely forgot I had this too. This is another recent one. Juvia's place, well, most makeup brands, most of the trending ones, they always collab with influencers, makeup influencers. So this one is the Melissa palette. So she's apparently a very talented makeup artist and an influencer, and just like Fumi is another one. So she's an influencer that they collaborated with, and that's how they come up with the names. So there's a few out there. Just check out the website listed below. This palette, y'all, I am wearing the glitter from this palette, and this one comes off easily, like just a little bit. Just have to touch it and it stays, so there's no fallout like the other glitter in the Wahala palette. So they did much better with this formula. But listen, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So this mauve, this dark mauve, I think this is what grabbed my attention. Yeah, it did. And you would think it's the same one from the Nubian, but let me show you how different it is. For the person who's like, but ain't you have the color already in the next palette? No. Look how different that is. One is darker. Okay, so it's different. This one is from Melissa and this one is from the Nubian II Palette. So I see why people feel the need to have all of them. I'm still not going to get all of them. It's really not that necessary. But I don't have any of their blush palettes, and I do want at least one. And I'm not sure what else I need to add to my collection. The makeup junkies out there, you could probably leave a comment down below and let me know which one I just have to have. And really guys, that's basically the end of this video. My small collection, it's growing. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Bye.